So dear friends, now let us begin to make the Advent wreath. First, as we all know, we need an evergreen wreath and then 5 candles, 3 purple color candle, 1 rose candle and then 1 white candle, which will be lit on Christmas Day. And then you can have the stickers which has on it the meaning of the candle like hope, love, joy, peace and Christ for the Christ candle which will be lit on Christmas Day. And then I have these candle holders which will hold the candle when we keep it on the wreath, and then some decorations. So now let's arrange it now. First take the Advent wreath and check everything is perfect. And then take the candle holders and keep it in the 4 corners of the wreath on which all the candles will be kept. And check it is perfectly fitting so that the candle will not fall. And after keeping the candle holders, you can start to keep the candles. The first candle which symbolizes hope, and then now the second candle which symbolizes love, then the rose colored candle which will be lit on the third Sunday of Advent, that is Domenica Gaudete, the Gaudete Sunday, and then the fourth purple color candle which symbolizes peace. And now finally we keep the Christ candle which will be lit on the Christmas Day in the center of the wreath, because Christ is the center of our life. And then add some decorations like this ribbon and ball. This red colored symbolization of this decoration tells us, showcases to us the suffering of Christ, the blood that Christ shed for us, and this gold color decoration symbolizes his triumph over the death. Now let's see the final look of our Advent wreath. Look how beautiful it is, dear friends. This Advent wreath is really a very good practice for this beautiful season of Advent, where we prepare ourselves for Christmas and the second coming of Christ, which will help us to get prepared for Christmas and the coming of the Lord spiritually, because it has readings and prayers before we light the candle. So this is the final look, dear friends. Kindly comment down below your thoughts.